Hi, I'm Engineer Muhammad Rizwan, online math and physics tutor. I am experienced, qualified, and expert mathematics and physics tutor. Now I explain my educational detail. I did mechanical engineering, master in pure mathematics, and bachelor of education from leading universities of Pakistan. Now I explain my teaching methods. My teaching method is very attractive and according to my students' level. I use discovery method and problem solving techniques. In these techniques, I also focus on students' practice and try to produce critical thinking in my students. My students are able to use their knowledge and concepts in new problems. Now I explain my online teaching setup. I am a professional online tutor. I have all teaching instruments. You can see my you can see my teaching setup in my thumbnail and also here. This is my professional microphone. By this mic, my student can hear my quality sound. My sound will be clear, loud, and noise free. I also use this graphic pen tablet when I teach students online. I use online whiteboard Bitpaper. On Bitpaper, there are two pens, one pen for my students and one pen for me. I solve questions and give concepts to my students when I write here, and my students can see my writing on digital whiteboard Bitpaper. After understanding, my students can also solve the same questions and also answers me some critical questions. I also take the test of my students after some lessons. Day by day, I inform the progress of my students to the parents. So, I am a perfect tutor. And this is my conventional whiteboard. For teaching geometry questions and for other things like physics subject, I use this conventional whiteboard. In conventional whiteboard, it is 8 by 4 feet. I have also a HD webcam in front of me. So my HD webcam also show the clear recording of my whiteboard. So each and everything is complete. I am qualified. I am experienced. I have a teaching setup. I have a 5-year online teaching experience. So feel free to contact me. Make sure I will never let you down. Thanks.